Hi friends! The next skincare line that I am going to discuss is the Timewise Repair Set or Timewise Repair Regimen. This product, this line, is going to be for those who have advanced signs of aging. This line will reduce the look of deep lines and wrinkles, restore a lifted appearance, recapture the look of youthful volume. If you are a person who has possibly dry skin, who maybe didn't take care of your skin at a younger age, or if you are older, even if you took care of your skin and you're just a little bit older and you're starting to see the deep lines, wrinkles, and sagging going on, this line is for you. This set is actually the top shelf Mary Kay skincare line, and it comes with 5 products in a beautiful box. I also like to use my boxes when some of the products, they do come in a set and come in a nice box. I will actually recycle those and I will use them for storage. So if you have one of these boxes, keep that in mind. The first step, again, if you watch my other videos, the first step has been cleanse. So the Timewise Repair Voluform Foaming Cleanser. It's going to revitalize, renew, and go beyond cleansing. It's a moisture-rich foam that renews skin's radiance. It provides a luxurious daily skincare experience, maintains moisture balance, and leaves pores looking less noticeable. It promotes a feeling of suppleness. The skin feels nourished, baby soft, and ready for the next step in the Timewise Repair Regimen. Step 2 in the Timewise Repair Regimen is the Voluform Advanced Lifting Serum. This serum is clinically shown to visibly lift skin and reduce the look of deep lines and wrinkles. It improves skin's elasticity and firmness. It tightens the appearance of sagging skin and gives facial contours a firmer look. It helps the cheeks, jawline, and neck appear more lifted. It includes a Voluform complex plus 2 new ingredients that support skin's natural collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. 9 out of 10 women say their skin feels immediately softer and smoother and more moisturized. How about you? Step 3 of the Voluform regimen is moisture. So this line has 2 moisturizers. There's the day cream and there's the night cream. So in the morning when you wash, you'll use the day cream, and obviously at night you'll use the night cream. So the day cream restores skin's youthful cushion. Skin tone appears more even, helps minimize skin reaction to external irritants, and helps protect against skin aging, UVA and UVB damage. This day cream increases skin moisture for 12 hours. Now the night cream, it's the Timewise Repair Voluform Night Treatment with Retinol. Skin regains firmness and skin's even tone is restored. It immediately triples skin hydration and increases skin moisture for 12 hours. The Voluform Complex contains plant stem cells and specialized peptides that help provide the catalyst for skin renewal. It noticeably smooths the neck area, and it helps accelerate cell turnover to reveal radiant looking skin. Okay, the final step in this particular regimen is the Voluform Eye Renewal Cream. This eye cream, again, contains plant stem cells and specialized peptides that help provide the catalyst for skin renewal. This eye cream firms and tones sagging skin around the eyes. It minimizes the appearance of deep wrinkles. It restores a youthful lift, immediately doubles skin hydration and increases skin moisture for 12 hours. And this eye cream, unlike the other eye creams, this eye cream has a customized applicator tip that's designed to help stimulate microcirculation and reduce puffiness. So the applicator tip on this eye cream is actually a smooth metal. It does provide a cooling sensation as you put it on. You use the applicator to put it on your eye area. If you use this skincare regimen, please let me know how you like it. Mention that in the comments or send me a message, a direct message. Let me know how you like this skincare regimen. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact your Mary Kay consultant, or if you don't already have a consultant, I would love to be your consultant. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.